Yo, what it do, guys? You know what I mean? I know it's been a while, but we back. You know what I mean? We're gonna do our thing. We're gonna do our thing, you feel me? But listen, for my new subscribers, was popping. You feel me? And for the one that always been there, yo, good looking out, man. Mass love, man. More love, you feel me? But now today we're gonna get together. You know what I mean? We're gonna do a little makeover on a bike that I got. You know what I mean? It's gonna be in one of my collections. You know, it's gonna be mine. You know what I mean? So it's gonna be there chilling. You know, but yeah, that's what we're gonna get to. You know what I mean? We're gonna get down like James Brown. You feel me? Listen, I hope everybody's doing out. I hope all of y'all, you know what I mean, that's watching this video, you know what I mean, that's not, man, you know, I want to say, you know, God bless y'all, man, for real, man. And, you know, to always keep praying, man. Don't stop praying, man. Tough times don't last, you feel me? So, just keep praying, man. You know what I mean? Have that faith, man. Don't lose that faith, man, for real, man. There's always a reason for shit, you know what I mean? There's always a reason for things, I'm gonna say, my bad, but yeah, man, y'all already know, man. You know, happy holidays to y'all. You know, hopefully I get this video out by the holidays, you know what I mean? By, you know, Christmas, all that, you know what I mean? New Year's, all that, you know what I mean? I hope 2021 treats us better, you know what I mean? You know, hopefully everything, you know what I mean? Y'all already know, you know, but let's get to it. I'm gonna show y'all the project I'm gonna be working on right now, you know, and let's get it. Alright, so this is the lowrider that is gonna get cleaned up and hooked up. You know what I mean? It's gonna get fresh. You know, I got the 7 stars. You know what I mean? Tires. You know what I mean? OG bajitas, you feel me? I'm thinking about taking out the, you know, the rims. I'm not sure though. You know what I mean? But this is how it's look. We got the, you know, nice spokes. The front tire, 7 stars, and it's a bajita frame. Yeah. Got some old school pugs, you know what I mean? Lowrider connection. Lowrider collection. You know what I mean? See, I'm thinking about just keeping it green. You know what I mean? But we'll see what's up. You know what I mean? We'll see what's up. Got the, you know, vintage pedals. So that's what we're working at. You know, this is my idea for it. You know what I mean? If I do change the rims, I'm gonna change it to the old school 7 stars. I mean the lucky 7s. Old school lucky 7s. You know, that's what I'm about to throw on. You know what I mean? I'm gonna clean them rims up real nice. The frame up is gonna get cleaned out, got, you know, rust. Y'all can see. You know, it's gonna get cleaned up, shined up. You know, I got other rims too. You know what I mean? I got the twisted spokes. I got the deuces. You know, spinners. I'm gonna put that on. You know, but I got a wall, you know what I mean, that I'm gonna see what's up. You know. We're gonna chop it up, throw it down. You know, I'll see though. I'll see what I can put on. You know. I got this frame up here. You know, Swiss gold. You know what I mean? I got that shit I'm gonna work on. You know. So I took everything apart. Took the back apart. Took the tires off the rims. Took them apart. And I'm gonna get down, but I don't know, man. Something weird about it. It's like, I don't know. I don't know if it was spray painted black or that's how it was back in the day. You know what I mean? But I don't know. Maybe it's like that. I'm just bugging. But there we go. But now I'm gonna get the cleaning. Stay tuned, guys. You know what I mean? And bajitas. You know what I mean? They're gonna go with the lucky sevens. You know what I mean? And I got that, the spokes, twisted spokes. I already got something in mind for that. You know what I mean? And those are going to something else too. You know what I mean? Just stay tuned. We're gonna keep it, you know what I mean? We're gonna keep it low, you know what I mean? We're gonna keep it on the low, you know what I mean? Alright, so listen up. In the middle of me, you know what I mean? Getting my shit started and whatever cleaned up, like wiped down. Guess what I got? You know what I mean? The ones that been rocking with me since day one, y'all already know I needed this since day one, or needed this because I've been doing other crazy shit just to get my bike standing. You feel me? When I'm working on it, anything like that. For my day ones, I know, you know what I mean? I know y'all know that I needed this. You feel me? But look, listen. I'm going to show you right now. Boom! What's up? Yo, I got myself a bike repair stand. You know what I mean? And I got it for the low too, man. It was crazy, man. Look at that. And I got it from like 10 minutes from where I'm from. 10-minute drive from where I'm from. You know what I mean? That bike repair stand. Yeah, I got it, man, because somebody posted up a bike on Facebook, right? And in the background, I seen a bike repair stand. You feel me? I wrote him. I'm like, oh, nice bike, but do you have an extra, laying around bike repair stand? You know what I mean? And he was like, you know what? I think I got an extra one laying around. What? I was like, yo, that's crazy, man. He was like, yeah, come pick it up. I got you. You know what I mean? Give it to you for the low. He gave it to me. That shit gave it to me for $10. You know what I mean? I was like, what? I was like, $10. Yo, man, I thank him, man. If one day he sees this video, man, I appreciate it, man. For real, man. I thank you. You don't know how much it's gonna help me out. You know what I mean? Like my bike's been in between boxes. Y'all seen videos before this, you know what I mean? All my old videos that I had. It was mad hard for me. I was holding my bike down. My bike was falling. It was this and that. You know what I mean? I was putting it in between boxes if I don't want to fall, but it kept falling. Oh, man, it was so hard to work without one of this, man. So this is going to help me out. You know what I mean? So, gotta get more. It's going to be more easier for me. You know what I mean? Imagine for me, I was just holding it with two boxes. I was doing my work. Imagine with this shit. It's going to be a problem now. You know what I mean? But stay tuned. You know what I mean? So I quick ran to Home Depot and got better, screws, because the other ones I had on this ones was rusted, and I wanted something fresh. You know what I mean? Some fresh bolts. So that's what I got right now. Put one part on. It looks nice and fresh. So yeah, and I bought this piece right here too for it. Let me see. So yeah, that's what I got. You know, similar to the other ones. You know, fresh. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing new bolts into my fork. You know. Alright guys, so I got my parts cleaned up. You know, I'm still missing a few parts. You know, but I just cleaned them, you know, 7-star white wall tires. It's gonna go with my Lucky 7 rims. 7-star tires, Lucky 7 rims. You know what I mean? And I got these old school handlebars. You know what I mean? With the vintage pedals. I'm gonna go with the vintage pedals. You know what I mean? And I just cleaned this up. I don't know if y'all see how rusty it was. But yeah, this is what I got as the drawing. Got this. Clean that up. I'm gonna go with the, you know, white seat, white pedals. You know what I mean? Got my sissy bar hooked up, cleaned up. Got those. I'm thinking about since I got this sissy bar, I'm gonna see if I can order some lights. If y'all know of some, you know, brake lights that I could put on this, let me know. You know what I mean, on the comments. I would really appreciate that. But I'm thinking about putting some brake, you know, some little brake lights on them. You know, if y'all know any where I could get them at or anything like that, let me know, please. I would appreciate that. That's what I got going on right now. With the fenders, hold up. It's gonna go with this frame right here. This is a bajita frame. Y'all can see, bajita. You know, so yeah, that's what I'm rocking with. I still gotta get the chain. I'm gonna buy a new chain for this one. And fenders. I got some upstairs that I might do something with it. I might do, you know what I mean? It's gonna be a little surprise, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna get it there. You know what I mean? I'm thinking about the frame. I'm thinking about doing a custom frame on this. Custom frame. I mean, I'm lying. Custom fenders. Thinking about doing some custom fenders that I might do myself. You know, but yeah, this is what it is right now. But the sprocket, I might take it out. I'm not sure yet, and I might put this sprocket on. Clean that up real nice. Y'all already know how I clean up, you know what I mean, all the rust. You know, lowrider collection. You know what I mean, because it's gonna be one of my collections. But yeah, guys, that's what we're rocking with right now. You know what I mean? I'm hyped that I got that hat. You know, bike repair stand. But I'm gonna do another video on this. You know, it's gonna be a part 2 where I'm you know, where I'm gonna be putting all the pieces together. You know, putting all the pieces to the puzzle, you know what I mean? But now I'm gonna put all the pieces, you know, together, you know, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do it, you know, and let's see how it's gonna look at the end. You know what I mean? I think it's gonna look nice, but we'll see though, you know what I mean? Gotta execute it, you know what I mean? That's the main goal. I gotta execute my goal, my plans. I gotta execute it. But I just wanna say, to the next video, it's gonna be a part 2. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, man. God bless y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.